Thank you for selecting Larry H. Miller Chevrolet Murray, where we have hundreds of new, pre-owned, and certified vehicles to choose from. Check out this.
Imagine driving this black 2012 Nissan Rogue crossover all-wheel drive, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and a CVT transmission. Enjoy this great car with features like suspension, front shock type, gas shock ABS orbers, windows, rear wiper with washer, towing and hauling, trailer hitch, ready, windows, lockout button, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, power windows, with safety rubber SE, towing and hauling, tow hooks, front and rear, windows, privacy glass, rear doors, quarters and liftgate, suspension, front arm type, lower control arms, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, suspension, rear gas shock ABS orbers, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2012 Nissan Rogue. See us at Larry H. Miller Chevrolet of Murray today.
Please contact us today or visit our site at LarryHMillerChevrolet.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.